Vivid 2025 is almost here. All right, folks, listen up. Can you feel that buzz in the air? It's like the whole of Sydney is holding its breath, waiting for something massive. And you know what? They absolutely are. Vivid Sydney 2025 is just around the corner, ready to paint the town, well, every colour imaginable. It's that time of year when the city sheds its normal skin and transforms into a giant, glowing wonderland. Honestly, the excitement is palpable. You could probably power a small light bulb with it, which, come to think of it, would fit right in. Now, if you're new to this whole Vivid caper, let me fill you in. Imagine your city, right? Now imagine it dipped in a bucket of rainbows, sprinkled with genius ideas, and then set to an awesome soundtrack. That's Vivid Sydney. It's a festival of light, music and ideas. For a few glorious weeks, Sydney basically becomes the coolest, most dazzling outdoor art gallery on the planet. We're talking serious eye candy, folks. And it's not just pretty lights, it's a full-blown experience that tickles all your senses. The atmosphere during Vivid is just incredible, truly something else. It's like one giant happy party where everyone's invited. You see people wandering around with massive smiles, pointing at glowing buildings and just soaking it all in. Kids are absolutely mesmerized, parents are having a blast, and even your too cool for school cousin will crack a smile. It's a proper community vibe, bringing everyone together under a canopy of creativity. It makes you feel proud of this awesome city, you know? And let me tell you, Vivid Sydney 2025 is gearing up to be extra special. I've heard whispers, seen some sneaky previews, don't tell anyone. And trust me, they're pulling out all the stops this year. Think bigger, brighter, and even more mind-bendingly brilliant. We're talking new installations, fresh sounds, and ideas that'll make your brain do a happy dance. So, get your comfy shoes ready, charge your cameras, and prepare to be utterly amazed by what's coming. First up, let's talk about the lights, because wow, these aren't your average fairy lights strung up on a tree. Oh no, we're talking massive, awe-inspiring light projections that turn iconic buildings into living canvases. The artists behind these are proper wizards, using light to tell stories, create illusions, and just make everything look ridiculously cool. Familiar streets become magical pathways, and hidden corners glow with unexpected beauty. It's like seeing Sydney through a kaleidoscope, but way, way better. You'll be oohing and ahhing around every corner, guaranteed. Then there's the music. Vivid music is all about filling the city with sound, from huge international acts to local Aussie talent. There's something for every eardrum. You might find yourself bopping to a DJ set under the stars, discovering your new favorite band in an intimate venue, or even stumbling upon an impromptu street performance. The music isn't just background noise, it's a vital part of the Vivid experience, creating a soundtrack that perfectly complements the visual feast. It adds another layer of awesome to the whole shebang. And don't forget the ideas part of Vivid. This is where things get seriously brainy, but in a fun way, I promise. Vivid Ideas brings together some of the brightest thinkers, creators, and innovators from around the world. There are talks, workshops, and discussions on everything from cutting-edge technology to creative arts and social change. It's a chance to get inspired, learn something new, and maybe even spark your own brilliant idea. Think of it as fuel for your imagination, a place to get those creative cogs whirring. The real magic happens when these three elements, light, music, and ideas, all come together. Imagine wandering through a breathtaking light installation while listening to incredible live music, all while feeling inspired by the creative energy around you. It's a multi-sensory overload in the best possible way. It's not just one thing, it's the combination that makes Vivid truly unique. It's an experience that engages your eyes, your ears, and your mind, leaving you feeling energized and full of wonder. This festival is a proper triple threat. Right, let's get down to brass tacks. Where do you need to go? First on your list, undeniably, has to be the Sydney Opera House. Those iconic sails become the star of the show, with breathtaking projections transforming them into a moving masterpiece. Every year, the artists come up with something completely new and mind-blowing. You could stand there for hours just watching the light dance across its surfaces. It's the kind of thing that makes your jaw drop, no matter how many times you've seen it before. It's pure magic, that. Next up, you absolutely cannot miss the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This grand old dame also gets a dazzling makeover, with lights tracing its incredible structure. Sometimes there are interactive elements too, where you can influence the lights. Plus, the views from and around the bridge with the illuminated city spread out before you are just spectacular. Consider a pylon lookout visit for a bird's eye perspective, or just wander along the foreshore to take in its glowing majesty. It's a total showstopper, that bridge, especially during Vivid. Then make a beeline for Darling Harbour. This place really comes alive during Vivid, especially for families. They usually have incredible water features, light installations you can walk through or interact with, and a super vibrant, buzzing atmosphere. It's a playground of light and sound, perfect for an evening stroll. There are often food trucks and pop-up stalls too, so you can grab a bite while you soak it all in. It's a real hub of fun, packed with things to see and do for everyone. And the fun doesn't stop there, mate. The Rocks, with its historic laneways, becomes an enchanting labyrinth of light. Barangaroo usually puts on a stunning display, often with a focus on nature and sustainability. Keep an eye out for new precincts too. Vivid is always expanding and finding fresh spots to illuminate. The famous Light Walk ties many of these areas together, guiding you on a journey of discovery. So grab a map or just follow the glow. Adventure awaits. So, who is Vivid Sydney for? Honestly, it's for absolutely everyone. Little kids stare wide-eyed at the colours, their faces lit up with pure joy. Teenagers find endless cool photo opportunities for their Insta feeds. Couples enjoy romantic strolls under the sparkling lights. Art lovers and tech enthusiasts geek out over the incredible creativity and innovation on display. Even your grumpy uncle will find something to marvel at, I reckon. It truly transcends age and interest, bringing people together to share a collective sense of wonder. Let's have a little history lesson, shall we? Vivid Sydney started back in 2009, believe it or not, as a smaller festival primarily focused on smart energy, but boy, has it grown. It quickly captured hearts and minds, evolving into the massive international event it is today. It's had a huge impact on Sydney, attracting millions of visitors each year and giving the local economy a fantastic boost during the cooler months. It's put Sydney on the map as a global hub for creativity and innovation. Not bad for a bright idea, eh? Now, why is Vivid Sydney 2025 going to be the bee's knees, the duck's nuts, the absolute pinnacle of luminous entertainment? Well, while I can't spill all the beans, I can tell you the organisers are cooking up something truly phenomenal. They're always pushing the boundaries, and this year promises groundbreaking new technologies, collaborations with world-renowned artists you won't believe, and themes that will really make you think and feel. Perhaps there is a special anniversary or a focus on an even more spectacular scale. Expect the unexpected. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip, clear your schedule, and get ready to dive headfirst into the magic of Vivid Sydney 2025. Come and see the city transformed. Listen to the incredible music and let your imagination be ignited by the brilliant ideas. It's more than just pretty lights, it's an experience that will stay with you long after the glow fades. Trust me on this one, you do not want to miss out. Get amongst it and prepare to be amazed.